So I'm in my garage right now, and I'm gonna try out this Fix-All super glue. It says the original super glue Fix-All adhesive. And I got this because I need to repair a broken refrigerator drawer. It's plastic, and I've repaired it before with other super glues and glues, and it's just basically, broken apart again. So I'm gonna see how well, if I put quite a bit of this on there, if it will hold it together. Now, it's not gonna be beautiful because this is kind of a garage refrigerator, but really I just want it to hold and be useful. So let's see how well this does. So this is the bottom of this drawer piece that I need to fix. And if you see it, it comes out kind of like a clear gel. And I just did a strip all along the bottom here so I can pop the bottom of this drawer on. And then, as you can see over here, I have some tape where this cracked. And this right now is just there. The tape doesn't do anything other than just hold this in place. So when I do glue it, this is actually seated properly and not popping out or anything. So once it's all nice and glued, of course, this tape's gonna come off. But this is my first run, and I just wanted to let you know that it does come out kind of like a gel. It's not like a real liquidy water. It's, like a silicone gel almost when it comes out. So now's the time to test it. This has been drying for about a day, and it's holding really well. You can see from the inside down here, it leaves, a trace right here. You can kind of see it over here where the glue kind of sat underneath, but man, it's hard as a rock. So definitely going to do what it needs to do. I've been twisting this a little bit, and it's going to take some different plastic. That's probably stronger than the rest of the plastic on here. So if it breaks again, it's probably going to be from somewhere else. So yeah, this definitely seems to hold well, and only time will tell how long it's going to hold up, but I have a feeling that, if something breaks again, it's not going to be the glue. All right, well, I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.